Hi, Lily and Luke here, and today we're at the pig place in Banbury.
Come with us and we'll show you around.
Let's go!
This small canal-side campsite has a very relaxed atmosphere. There's an on-site bar, food van, farm shop and live music every Saturday.
We enjoyed looking at all the animals on site. They have a large variety of rare breed pigs, ducks, chickens, and as the campsite is located alongside the canal, plenty of fish and swallows eating the flies off the water. As this is a pig farm, we definitely recommend bringing bug spray and bite cream.
There are 2 camping fields on site, one for tents and the other for caravans, motorhomes and campervans. The ground is not level, so definitely take some levelling blocks if you're going down that route. There aren't much in the way of facilities on site, just a handful of portaloos and one kitchen sink to wash up in.
We hope you enjoyed coming with us today at the pig place in Banbury. We had an absolutely fantastic time seeing all the pigs and it being such a beautiful day.
Yeah, it's been such a great day. Thank you for watching the video. Please consider liking and subscribing if you want to see more like this.
See you in the next one.
Hello.